Ready to kickstart an unforgettable student housing experience at the marvelous Melbourne? Wait no more, as Student Village is all set to welcome you to the ultimate concoction of convenience and opulence. Choose from a selection of stunning apartments ranging from comfortable en-suites to luxurious studios, where each fully furnished private room features a snug bed, spacious wardrobe, and a dedicated study desk. That's not all. While the games room, gym, pool table, and basketball court induce agility and let you socialize, and the dedicated study spaces ensure you always stay at the zenith of your academic game. And when you feel the need to unwind, the in-house swimming pool offers a perfect retreat. But the absolute cherry on the top has to be the inclusion of utility bills in the rent, making the stay super easy in your pocket. Moreover, when it's time to unleash your academic side, you're in luck, as TMG College and Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology are a pleasant stroll away. On weekends, enjoy a delectable Italian meal at Universal Restaurant or sip heavenly coffee at Stovetop. Take a pleasant bus ride or hop on a tram to explore the magnificence of Melbourne. So, are you ready to embrace the magic of Melbourne? Head straight to amberstudent.com to book the stay of a lifetime at Student Village Melbourne, your future home away from home.